Today we're doing an oil change on a 2007 Honda Accord. These can be tricky if you don't know the trick. Instead of putting them on ramps, I would suggest just jacking it up, put it on jack stands, and removing the passenger front wheel, especially if it's the 2.4. And the reason to remove the wheel is oil filter is right there. Down here where the tip of the light is to get the filter out. Or you could just get a pair of pliers or something along those lines and just, oh, it's snug. But that's the gist of it. And to be honest with you, you can do the entire oil change from just where you pull the wheel off. Just get in right there. Because your oil plug is right there. I can't see. That's your oil plug. And it's easy to see from here. It's right there. Yeah, like I said, your oil filter is right there. It's not that hard of an oil change, really. I didn't get underneath the car one time. I'm gonna fill it up. It should hold 4.5 quarts, maybe 4.7 anyway. But yeah, then we're good to go, and until next time. How to reset your oil light on a 2007 Honda Accord. Push this button until oil life percent comes up. Hold the button until it starts flashing. Let off for a second and push it again. And boom. Okay. Another quick tip for you.